In the year 2012, two young women changed the way we view the world. Their mission, honesty. Their name, Olga.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Honest Olga!
Welcome to Honest Olgas. I'm Olga. And I'm Olga. Now, it's time to be honest with Honest Olga. Yes. Today, like we promised, we'll be discussing the fashion do's and don'ts of the Golden Globes, yeah.
And yeah, the best and the worst.
Okay, let's start with the first.
Okay.
Shall we? Yeah, okay.
Let's take a look at
Sarah Michelle Gellar's dress, yeah. Okay, well, I think she looks like she had some one-on-one time with a Smurf, yeah.
Oh yeah, Smurf, yeah. Oh my.
Oh my.
Okay, let's look at Ellie McPherson.
Yes, let's.
Fierce girl.
Yeah.
Oh, she looks like her daughter made her dress out of tissue paper.
Oh, yes, she does.
Craft time.
Oh, but that's so nice of her daughter, yeah.
Yeah, I
Oh, yeah,
guess.
that's
Okay,
nice, yeah.
no.
All right. But let's see. Oh, let's look at Diana Agron's dress.
Oh, from Glee?
Yeah.
I love her.
Yeah, I love Glee too. Yeah, it's fun, yeah. Oh my, she looks like she's ready to celebrate the Chinese New Year.
Oh, bravo! Okay,
Oh, yeah.
next picture.
Moving on.
Okay, who's next? Oh, Evan Rachel Wood. Oh, look at all those feathers.
Oh my, but is she trying to fly away?
Oh, because I don't remember her being the one to have sexual relations with Mila Kunis in Black Swan.
No, me either.
Speaking of Mila Kunis, let's look at her dress, because I think I should rename her Mila Cuteness.
Oh, yeah.
Black dress is
yeah.
wonderful, yeah.
It was so nice and yeah.
Oh, looks like we're going to the pretty one.
Oh, yes, it does. Okay. Well, I think that about sums up all the pretty dresses.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
At least we're honest, right?
oh, yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. All right. So, yeah. Well, that's pretty much all that we have time for today.
Yeah.
But next week, we will be having a surprise guest artist, and we don't even know who it is yet.
That's why it's a surprise for you and for us.
Yeah.
And
No,
now,
yeah, but we forgot something.
thank you, Olga. I almost forgot.
We have a
memory.
special message for all of you viewers out there. Okay.
From Olga to Olga, we are helping the world one Olga at a time. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now we say goodbye to you. And now we say goodbye to you. And now we say